When Dr. Richard Bandler is training on stage, how does he change people without formally putting them in the stage? How does he seeds ideas? How can we do unconscious installations? 3 days in Miami, full immersion, in which I'm going to teach you strategies that you can use with your clients in change work, or also your clients when you want to sell them your product or your service. For this training, you need to be at least a licensed practitioner of NLP or a hypnotherapist.